Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. The markets are up, everything is looking good. We have some pretty interesting news for today. Firstly, we'll be going over high-profile crypto strategist says Bitcoin targeting 50,000 with XRP signaling a potential bull run. We also have SBI launching a digital token issuance platform on the Corda blockchain. This is pretty interesting. Twitch doubling down on crypto gives subscribers a 10% discount, and Pavillion Hub in 22nd Century Racing series. This is about bringing blockchain technology to the Steam gaming platform. Some really cool stuff. If you guys could like the video, that would be amazing. With that said, let's start off with prices for today because the market is just oh man, it is just so green. So Bitcoin's at 10,700, Ethereum at 322, XRP is at 22 cents, Cardano is at 13, Chainlink at 708, Stellar is at 9.3. We have our V chain at 1.6, and we have, let's see what H bar is doing. Theta's doing 23 cents, H bar is doing 4 cents, Icon is doing 37 cents, Zilliqa 1.6. so Zilliqa's down. So there's a few things that are down, there's a few things that are up. For mainly what I'm seeing is the larger caps are all up. These are all green, whereas to the altcoins, if we start scrolling down, we start seeing a lot more red. But these were green before, right? So the low cap altcoins really were pumping before, but now what we're seeing is we're seeing some of that money wash back into the larger cap alts, and then we'll see it, go ahead and wash back into the smaller cap alts. This is just kind of how things work in crypto, especially since it's still mainly the same money. It's the same money moving around to different coins, repositioning themselves. We still do not have, massive retail FOMO. Our bull run is still not here. If anything, we may be starting one. As we can see, Bitcoin has broken out. Bitcoin has broken out of this multi-year bear market trend. Let's see how high we actually got today. Let's just switch this over to a daily chart, and let's kind of see what's going on. We could probably get a better picture of what's going on right now. So we got all as high as about 10,948. So on some exchanges, we probably tapped 11,000. So that is pretty insane, guys. We broke out of this formation for a while. I couldn't decide. I was telling you guys we could probably come down. I was telling you guys to possibly expect this. Come down, and we'd actually be making an inverse head and shoulders if we broke to the downside. Even if we broke to the downside, I would have still been bullish, because if we accumulated in this area, we would have just played out this, big inverse head and shoulders. But instead, we have broken up. And if we want to see kind of where this is going to take us, we can just take this and we can move it up because we broke out and not down. 10,900 for sure. I would expect to see some resistance around 12.9. Whether we'll, 12.1. Now, whether we'll come up and test 12.1, I guess we'll have to see. Again, we really don't know what's starting. If this really is, about to be the bull market, then we could blow 12.1 like it doesn't even exist. But we are on a Heikin-Ashi chart, and as we can see, our momentum, we picked up positive momentum after this CV19 crash. We picked up some nice positive momentum. We did have our retrace. We went into negative momentum, but we picked back up. The negative momentum was just not there. The bears were just not there to push us down, and the bulls have stepped in. This positive momentum has stepped in. I would be surprised if we stopped at just 2 green candles. I think there is a lot of action that needs to play out. I think it's definitely possible that we come up here and test the 12K area. But yeah, I think this is a very exciting moment. We'll see how much momentum we have. We'll see how strong the bulls are. And ultimately, we're really going to see how strong the market really is. Eventually, I would expect to have a pullback and, turn this into newfound support, maybe trade down, finding newfound support. Again, none of this needs to happen, but these would all would be bullish confirmation signs, because, a lot of people, they see the price start to go down and they get shaken out. But sometimes you need the price to go down to confirm to you, to take long positions that were bullish, So if this did come down and we started treating this previous overhead resistance as newfound support, and we made good support on that, that would be a bullish sign. So make sure you're not selling if we come back down here to test this, because testing this would be very, very bullish. Also, on Google Trends, Bitcoin is picking up a bit. If we look at the last 12 months, this thing is delayed, so this is only calculating up to July 25th. We know we're in July 27th, and with the price going up, we know that there's probably some more search volume going on. So we did have a boost. I wouldn't be surprised if we check this in a couple days and we have another spike here. And this one spike, we're on the 12 month. So if we zoom out to the 5 years, you know, it's a little spike now. We don't really see anything on the chart, but when we go up again, we create another spike. If we go up higher, Bitcoin continues to rally, we could see, you know, a spike like this, a spike like this, now a spike like this back here, and we know what happened to the price of Bitcoin every time that these spikes occurred in the interest. This takes into account how many people are searching Bitcoin across Google. So guys, exciting times nonetheless. Let's move on to our first article for today. So high profile crypto strategist says Bitcoin targeting 50K and XRP signaling a potential bull run. High profile crypto strategist Peter Brandt says Bitcoin appears to be setting up for a big move that will propel the top crypto to a new all-time high. The trader tells his 364,000 Twitter followers that he sees BTC ending its multi-year bear market en route to a surge of 400%. The top cryptocurrency briefly climbed above psychological resistance of 10K on Sunday, and Brandt sees the possibility of a long-awaited XRP breakout. XRP BTC forming a possible inverted head and shoulders. Maybe Ripple Labs, the bag holder, will be able to pull a cat out of the bag, he says. Another closely followed crypto analyst, going by Crypto Dog, tells his Twitter followers that he believes XRP BTC pair is on the cusp of a new uptrend. He says this is literally the very beginning for XRP. Let it ride, and we can see here is our overhead resistance, and XRP has flipped that. So again, if XRP did come down and we tested this and found it as support, that would be bullish. So don't get shaken out if we come down and test that. I know a lot of newbies don't really understand that sometimes the price going down is a good thing because it gets those bullish confirmations. Elliott Wave analyst Benjamin Bluntz, who accurately called the BTC bottom in 2018, says the fourth largest crypto is poised to rally by over 25% in the near term. He also says XRP looks like she's going to rip real soon. Smaller bull flag above a larger bull flag breakout. The only explanation is 589 soon. I'm sure it was a joke. I know. I'm definitely not expecting a 589 XRP anytime soon. But, I mean, look at this. This does look very bullish. Here was our macro trend that we broke out of. We broke out of it, and now we're forming another smaller of basically almost the same exact pattern. So if the bulls are there, if we're going to go up, if this is the way the market's going to go, you know, we can expect to see higher prices, obviously. But not all analysts are bullish on XRP. We got to include this, guys. We got to include this. A pseudo-anonymous analyst who goes by the name Bagsy tells his Twitter crew that XRP general thoughts: I don't think this pumps without fundamentals, and for now I don't see anything in the calendar. Bounces are for shorting until proven otherwise. I think we're going to be getting some type of news that comes out for XRP that will support the current rally that we're seeing. We've gotten above 21 cents. We're staying above 21 cents. Of course, if we could fall down tomorrow, XRP has fallen down every time, but eventually I think one of these times it's not going to fall down, and people are going to be crying on the sidelines. If you guys like daily cryptocurrency videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel where you get a video like this daily. We cover Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything going on in the crypto space. Make sure you guys watch this video, top undercover altcoin. I have Brando on, who's from Bigger Than Race YouTube channel, and we go over SingularityNet and AGI and all the connections that they have and how we think it could be a possibly a really good project to just keep on your radar. Packed full information, so if you want to learn about a altcoin you may have never heard about, go check out that video. Let's move on. SBI launches digital token issuance platform on Corda blockchain. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure you smash the like button. Japanese financial giant SBI Holdings has unveiled a platform that will allow companies and regional government bodies to issue digital tokens using the American firm R3's Corda blockchain network. The company said its platform is named S-Coin. The solution, it said, is intended for enterprises, but SBI added that it plans to use S-Coin as a local currency issuance platform in the future. SBI stated it completed a pilot for the new platform, making use of its smartphone-based money transfer and payment app MoneyTaps, and it's smartphone-based. And guys, we know that Samsung is putting out phones with digital wallets already on it. If you guys don't see how all these companies, they don't necessarily have to talk to each other to know what to do, right? We have them implementing this tech everywhere, and you know they don't necessarily need to come out in public and say, hey, you know, we're all backing this, we're all embracing this. They kind of know. They know, you know, they move together. They don't have to meet up and talk about these things. They know where they want to go. They all have the same type of goals, the same type of agenda. So that's why you're seeing this rolled out like across the board. This is being completely rolled out. And I think one thing that we're going to see is, you know, there's a lot of competition in this space, but I think that competition is mainly going to be merged as collaboration. I think people are going to be surprised by what projects that are said to be competing against each other are actually going to be coming out and collaborating with each other. SBI said its new platform will let companies design and issue unique digital currencies, including electronic money and prepaid forms of payment. SBI added that it intends to promote regional revitalization projects that involve cooperating with local level financial institutions, that it will also support the issuance of digital currencies in a number of regions. So what digital currencies are they going to be issuing would be my first question. This was interesting, guys. A number of major Japanese cities have expressed an interest in local blockchain powered stablecoins. Now listen to this. Operated by tech companies and issued by local governments. That is pretty interesting. What is Ripple? A tech company. What is Stellar? A tech company. Now what do they have? Digital currencies. So blockchain powered stablecoins, or digital currencies, right? Because that's what stablecoins are, operated by tech companies and issued by local governments, and major Japanese cities are calling for it. That is it's probably the most mind-blowing sentence I read all day. When I read that, I was just it bent my mind. Anyways, Twitch doubles down on crypto, gives subscribers 10% discount. So they're giving their subscribers a 10% discount if they pay using cryptocurrencies. Now remember that Twitch is now Amazon owned, and they announced the deal on Saturday. Users can pay in Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, or Litecoin. A live streaming platform. Actually, if you don't know what Twitch is, it's a live streaming platform. But anyways, guys, we're seeing another company, and this is in the gaming industry. Remember, I told you guys gaming and blockchain and crypto, they go together like peanut butter and jelly. Blockchain is going to enhance gaming in more ways than I think I can even think about. I think it's going to completely shake it up. That and VR and blockchain are going to be, I think it's going to be absolutely incredible. Now, Pavillion Hub brings blockchain tech to the Steam gaming platform. The 22nd Century Racing Series is a worthy showcase of the possibilities this enables. As blockchain tech continues apace in its quest to infiltrate and improve the gaming sector, multiple platforms have been springing up for your attention. Earlier this month, Cointelegraph reported Pavillion Hub, developed by Goaty Entertainment and powered by Phantasma Blockchain, integrates into the Steam gaming platform. This allows developers to easily incorporate blockchain elements into games they release on Steam. So these games released on Steam are going to have blockchain elements in them. All right, this is huge, guys. This is going to be huge. You know, having blockchain interlaid in with games, with the gaming industry, I mean, this is really game-changing stuff. Now, let's scroll down here. We have entering the Pavillion. So access to the platform is available through a standalone PC app or web browse interface. You can also link up your Steam account, which will populate your games library with titles already purchased through Steam. Now, once signed into Pavillion Hub, you can access the store, games library, inventory of licenses and in-game items, and a marketplace for trading non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Future updates will bring community features and the ability to enter esports tournaments. So there could be digital currencies that you need to enter into esports, right? To enter into championships, or your team wants to play, or you're making bets, right? Because esports betting, I'm sure, is going to be a huge thing. If people are betting on the NFL and they're betting on the NBA, why are they not going to bet on esports teams? And then why would you not bet with blockchain, right, and digital currencies that the bets are secured in through smart contracts? Okay, this is probably the types of things that are coming. That is why this is so crazy, right? How many of you guys have made bets with your friends before for anything, right? Whether it's a football game or whether it's a coin toss, right? No matter how it is, and what happens when that person doesn't pay you, right? Sometimes you have to trust that person. But imagine you could do sport betting or any type of betting, and it's locked in with a smart contract into the blockchain, and if they lose, they have to pay. There is no more, effing somebody, right? Because the smart contracts. Anyways, guys, those are just my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think of all of this down below. Drop a 1 in the comments if you think that Bitcoin is starting its new bull run, and drop a 2 if you think this is a fake out and Moon Boys are about to be wrecked. 1 or 2. Let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share this on Twitter. Tell your friends. We need more people to figure out about this stuff. We need more people knowing about blockchain, knowing about crypto, so they can actually invest into these technologies that are literally going to change our very way of life. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.